Hi, everyone. This is AJ Schneider from Loyalty360. We're excited to announce our next Loyalty360 webinar with HighTouch, which will be live on February 26th of 2026. HighTouch is a composable CDP and AI marketing platform that empowers companies to activate their data warehouse to power marketing and business operations. It enables companies to deliver personalized customer experiences, optimize performance marketing, and move faster by leveraging data and AI across their organization. And in this session, HighTouch will break down Netflix's approach to personalization and lifestyle marketing and what's really behind it. Over 5 months, the HighTouch team tracked and analyzed real emails one user received after churning, uncovering the tactics, timing, and technology powering the brand's win-back strategy. For a sneak peek into the presentation, we're joined today by Luke Klein, author of Lifecycle Leaders, and Alec Hazy, GM for AI products at HighTouch. Alec and Luke, how are you guys doing today?
Doing great. Excited to be here.
Awesome. So, wanted to just let you guys talk a little bit about what you plan to present at the webinar. Maybe just a brief overview.
Yeah, really excited about the opportunity. Essentially, what we did a couple months ago last year, we intentionally unsubscribed from Netflix to run this kind of neat experience to figure out their approach to winning back churn subscribers. So we're going to talk about a couple of things. One, why winbacks are so important for subscription business. Two, what we uncovered analyzing a real user journey. And then three, the strategy Netflix actually uses to personalize to millions of users around the world.
Yeah, I think from each of those points, really making sure that we can talk through the practical lessons and the insights so that marketers and even data teams can apply it to their own programs. Specifically, also diving into how you can use AI decisioning, this kind of new wave of MarTech, to really go and power that Netflix level personalization at any organization.
That sounds great. And in terms of who would benefit from coming to this webinar, obviously there's going to be a lot of great information coming out of that. Talk a little bit about what you think, what types of teams would, should be paying attention to this, and if they want to, level up their personalization, approach and their loyalty programs and win backs, who should be paying attention?
Yeah, there's really something in here for everyone, I would say. Everything from the strategy Netflix uses to the actual technology and the system will give you an actual peek into the emails and the copy, the message archetypes, and then the actual, data infrastructure, and kind of how this works behind the scene.
Yeah, to kind of echo on Luke, obviously, anyone who's interested in learning about marketing and Netflix, like it's a great resource. I think more tactically, though, lifecycle marketing teams, folks in marketing, CRM, who are focused on driving personalization and really starting to understand kind of the strategy of some of the best companies out there that do it.
Perfect. And just as a teaser takeaway, are there one or two things that you can talk about ahead of time, that are going to be really practical things that folks can put into action right away?
Yeah, there's a couple of big ones that stand out. One is there's a really interesting, like simplistic approach that Netflix applies for all of their personalization that a lot of teams can learn from. And then I think a bigger one that's top of mind for everyone is just figuring out how you can use product and your data to kind of create those unmatched moat-like experiences.
Kind of to add on to Luke here, I think there is a new wave of MarTech that is currently taking marketing teams by storm, and we're so excited about it here at High Touch AI Decisioning and what it can bring to the table, and how again it really allows anyone to take this Netflix style personalization and implement it for their own teams. So we'll dive into the tech, kind of behind the scenes, how it works, and how you can implement it on your own.
That's great. So I'm just going to say ahead of time, nobody should miss this one. Thank you guys for taking the time to speak with us today. We look forward to learning more from you during the webinar. And as a reminder, Loyalty 360 webinars are free to attend. So be sure to register using the link included in the video description. Please reach out to Loyalty 360 if you have any questions. And thanks to everyone for listening. We hope to see you on a Loyalty 360 webinar soon. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks, AJ.